Hello everyone, this is my review of this multi-language translation pen. It comes with its own case and a USB cable for recharging it. It has multiple options you can go through, but I'm going to go through some of the most important ones here, like scanning and reading text.
简介说明
Now it's going to show the translation in English, and you can press the play button if you need to.
Brief description
Now I will use the built-in camera to take a picture of the text, and it will translate it for me.
Dictionary pen is a learning product that integrates scanning.
Hello, can you please tell me where the bus station is?
你好，您能告诉我巴士站在哪里吗？
I hope this review helps.